Hey, good afternoon. It's afternoon right now in Bolivar, Missouri. I'm in Donegan Park here to see my geese friends and duck friends and swan friends and all right. Okay, I do see like 4 swans right now and 2 smaller ones. Okay, 2 baby ones are playing and 2 bigger ones. Look at that, they're so cute. Look at the baby ones are playing. They're so cute. Baby swans are playing, see? They're playing with each other. Look at that. Wow, that's cute. Ooh, they're playing in the water. Look at that. Wow, they're having fun. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Baby swans. Okay. Okay, there's the baby swans. The baby ones. Oh, there could be lovers too. All right. Okay. Mostly like the lovers chasing each other. Okay. That's a big one there. Could be mom or dad. There's another one over there in the very edge. Okay, so we get 4 swans. Okay. A pair of big ones and a pair of smaller ones. A lot of geese here. Yeah, just one food. They don't fly anymore. Why don't you fly to Canada? You lazy geese. Only one food. You gotta do some work, you know. Okay, look at here. They just kind of stay here. They don't even go away anymore. Oh, some ducks here. See? Oh, they're really having fun. Look at that. The ducks also enjoy the mollies. Look at that. Beautiful day. See? They're frisky today. Look at that. They're kind of really having fun. Yeah, see? Beautiful. Yeah, they're having fun. Swimming and flying. Okay. Beautiful Donegan Park. There's some ducks here. Okay, good. And the baby swans over there, they're not babies anymore. They're teenagers right now. They're growing fast. Okay. All right, look at there. Some new ducks there, see? There's ducklings there. Busy pot. They're just beautiful. All right, so the little creek here and okay, beautiful. Okay. So thank you for watching. This is Dr. DVD from Donegan Park, Bolivar, Missouri. Have a great day. Bye, Jane. Adios. Bye-bye.